my name is Mathilde Cohen and I'm a professor at UConn Law School. I'm here in the south of France today thanks to a grant by the Albertine Foundation I obtained with Professor Ouria Bentouami to study how food affects French and American identities. We're organizing a workshop on the topic of feeding children. And thanks to the support of the foundation, two amazing UConn law students are here with us today. Sophia Buchanan, who will talk about lactation policies in Connecticut prisons, and Zoe Allison, who will talk about how food shapes immigrant identities. As for me, I will be talking about the norms and policies surrounding eating during pregnancy and lactation.
I'm Zoe Allison. I am currently a 2L at UConn Law School, and for 8 years or so, I have been exploring social justice issues using food as a way of communication through performance pieces, public art.
Hi, my name is Sophia. I'm a 3L at UConn Law School, and today I am presenting my paper on lactation in prisons, specifically access to lactation for pregnant inmates who are substance dependent or using methadone maintenance therapy. And I'm really excited to keep doing this work to further the rights of pregnant prisoners.